Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sangeeta, and today we will do the volcanic as well as the plutonic equivalent for the various rock. Okay, so I have drawn these blocks over here. We will fill this one by one as a trick. Okay, so if you have seen my Baman reaction series video, so I have written the magma type over there, which are B for basalt, A andesite, BADR. Okay, so we will fill this sequence over here for the volcanic rocks. These are all volcanic rocks. Okay, so we will fill this B A D and इस ब्लॉक को छोड़ के हम यहाँ लिखेंगे R. So B stands for basalt, A for andesite, D for dacite, R for rhyolite. Okay, so these are volcanic rock. V. After this, जैसे SMS होता है, तो अब हम यहाँ पे SMS तो लेंगे नहीं, तो we will take AMS instead of this. Okay, तो A क्या है हमारा? ये है एडामेलाइट. M stands for monzonite. S for, I will leave this for now. So now along with BADR, which is BADR, I will add one alphabet also, which is T. So I will fill this T over here, which is trachyte. Okay, so these are all volcanic rocks. Volcanic. Okay, now for basalt, the plutonic equivalent is gabbro. For andesite, it is diorite. For dacite, it is diorite. Only you have to add grano in front of it. So it is granodiorite. Okay. Now, for the adamelite, I will take this dacite from the below and ryo from above. So it will become rhyodacite. For monzonite, you have to remember one name, which is latite. Its plutonic equivalent. Now for the trachyte, I will take this trachy over here and this gabbro over here. So it will be we will take the bottom one. I will take this trachy over here. So it will be trachy basalt, and we know that plutonic equivalent for gabbro it will be sino gabbro. And here for rhyolite it is granite, which everyone knows. It is quite easy to remember. And for trachyte it is cyanide. So we have taken this psi over here for sino-gabbro, trachy over here. So you just have to cross it over here and take from below in this one. Okay. Now one is left, which is alkali basalt. So this is quite easy. Okay. For basalt it will be gabbro. Only alkali is written in front of it. Now comes the ultramafic rock. Which are ultramafic rock? Which are mostly found in the mantle. Which are those rocks? It will be dunite, which is 100% olivine. Along with dunite, it will be pyroxene and pyroxenite. Okay, so I have written the composition here. Acidic, also called felsic. Intermediate rock, basic or mafic. Basic or also called mafic. Ultramafic, ultra basic. Okay. So for acidic, it will be light minerals greater than 60%. In intermediate rock, the light minerals are 60 to 30%. For basic, dark mineral will be there, which is greater than 60%. And I have written the composition over here. It will contain mostly alkali feldspar, these rocks of these blocks, and alkali feldspar will be equal to plagioclase for these type of rocks, and mainly plagioclase will be present in this block of rocks. Okay.
Do like, share and subscribe my channel and do hit the bell icon.